Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're here in Birch Acres Kemptonpark. We need to quickly repair a Centurion D5 Evo sliding gate motor. So let's quickly show you. And what I want you to notice is the speed at which the gate motor is opening up the steel sliding gate. Okay, so you can see that the speed is not very fast. I'm going to close it now. So there's a big difference in closing and opening speed. So let's quickly have a look on the inside and then see what we find. So as soon as we remove the gate motor cover, we get a burning smell present. Now, you can see on the LCD screen it's already black. And if we look at the date of manufacture, you can see it's 2012. So this is a very, very old board. Let's have a look on the inside. Right, here's the controller card. So we open it. You can already see on the top cover, not always easy on the camera, but you can see it with the eye. Alright, let's have a look at the controller card itself. Here you can see the components are burnt. And then when we turn it around, there you can also see components are burnt. So what normally happens or causes this is that sometimes someone will bump into the steel sliding gate and your gate motor creates a power surge back into the controller card and it damages the output and it will burn it. So if your gate motor is running at different speeds on opening and closing cycles, then you know why. Only way how to repair it is to fit a new controller card. I'll just quickly have a look here. When you are using a lithium battery in your gate motor, you need to adjust the battery charging voltage. Lithium batteries require a charging voltage of between 14.4 and 14.6 volts DC. So you can chuck in a new lithium battery into your gate motor, but it might not work properly because you have not adjusted the battery charging voltage up to the correct specification for the battery. The other thing, we get to site, if you don't check everything, you're going to come back. So this terminal, the lithium batteries has got a much bigger terminal, but if you have a poor connection, like someone used an extension, you just quickly do it like that, open it up. So again, the client's gate motor starts stopping, doesn't want to work, and you didn't do the basics and check everything is working right. So there you can see stupid things that installers do, sad to say. So properly soldered battery terminal wires is a must to ensure that your gate motor operates smoothly. There guys, there you can see proper terminals on a battery soldered into the plug and you use your new controller card plug. You do not use the old one. So while you are busy, just keep on continuing. Make sure that everything is dry and clean so that you don't need to come back to site. Is that easy? That's that quick and easy. Remove the dipstick. There you can see the slot. Press it in. Pull it out. Check your oil level. If it's too high, it's going to seep out of the gearbox and cause problems. This one is fine. On the spot. Dot. Okay, so now that you've checked everything and you've connected everything up, you can go into programming and let the setup run itself. So this receiver card, it doesn't have any covers on it. It's just lying on the inside of the gate motor. We've just put it in a plastic bag to, in a sense, isolate it so that it doesn't get burnt out, because your electrical motors, steel and short circuits does occur. So the gate will run through the whole cycle on its own. There you can already see the difference in closing speed compared to the old controller card. Right. Obviously the next question is the gate open or closed? No. The gate is not open, it's closed. And there you can see all of the current that it uses. Okay, and then program is complete. Just grab a remote. That's it. Done and dusted. So guys, if you want your gate motor properly repaired first time, give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check out smartgates.co.za and check out Exquisite Security. Thanks for watching.